In this lecture, let us cover a series of interesting problems related to a deck of cards. A deck of cards consists of 52 cards, and we have to select certain number of cards out of these deck based on certain criteria. So let us look at the first problem. The first problem is that in a pack of 52 cards, how many ways can you pick? One, 4 cards. Second, 4 cards belonging to the same suit. I don't know how familiar are you with playing cards, but let me just at least introduce you what a pack of 52 card has. So the pack of 52 cards has cards from 2, 3, 4, 5 like that, 9 and 10, and you have a jack, a queen, a king, and then an ace. Okay, so these 3 cards are actually cards which have faces. So the faces of jacks, queen and kings are drawn on here, and these are the numbers, and this is an ace. So you have a pack of 32 cards with 13 cards of 4 suits. Okay, so you have these 13 cards, but there are 4 different suits for each of these 13 cards. So you have 13 into 4, that is 52, right? So 4 different suits are diamond, hearts, clubs, and spade. So each of them is a different suit, and diamond and red heart are red, and clubs and spade are black colored. So I just had to introduce you just in case you didn't know what cards are, and you need that information to solve this problem. So let me give you the different options for this answer. So you have 270, 725 and 2728. This is for the second part, right? And then you have 270, 725 and 2860. And then you have 240, 438, 2860 and 2860, 2860. So the correct answer is the second one, 270725 and 2860. So let us look at the solution now. So the first problem should be pretty straightforward for you. So you basically have to just select 4 cards, right? And we have 52 total cards, like I explained before. So how do you select 4 cards out of 52? This is basically a simple combination problem. So you just have 52 objects and you find the number of ways number of combinations of 52 objects taken 4 at a time, right? This is the answer. And now it's just a matter of applying the formula and getting the answer. So this is basically this, and then you have 52 into 51 into 50 into 49 divided by 4 into 3 into 2 to 1, and the answer is, if you compute this, it will be 270725. See, I won't go through the entire process of cancelling these numbers and getting you the answer. You should do it now. So the main point is just to apply this formula. Let us look at the second part. Let us look at the second problem, which was more interesting. In the second problem, we have to pick 4 cards of the same suit, right? So we have to find the number of ways to pick 4 cards of the same suit. And as told you that there are 4 suits, so how many ways can you pick 4 cards of the same suits? You can either pick 4 diamonds, so either pick 4 cards of diamonds, or you pick 4 cards of hearts, or 4 spades, or 4 clubs, right? So this is something which we looked at before, that whenever you want to get 4 diamonds or one event or the second event or the third event or the fourth event, then you add the numbers. So we basically have to find the number of ways to pick 4 diamonds and add them with the number of ways to get 4 hearts or 4 spades or 4 clubs. So you have to add all these number of ways. So first we want to just find the number of ways to pick 4 diamonds. So how many cards of diamonds are there? So there were, like I said, there are 52 cards and 13 of each suit, right? So you have 13 cards of diamond. So selecting 4 diamonds out of 13 cards, right? Because you only have 13 diamonds, 13 cards with diamonds. So this is again a very simple problem. What is the answer? It is just 13 choose 4, right? That's it. 13 choose 4. And if we look at what is the second, 4 hearts, 4 hearts is also the same, right? Because you just have to do the same thing here. You just have 13 cards of hearts and you have to pick 4 of them. So you just have the same answer. So what is the answer now? For 4 spades also you will have 13c4. So the answer will be basically 13c4 plus 13c4 plus 13c4 plus 13c4. So each of these terms correspond to 4 diamonds, 4 hearts, 4 spades and 4 clubs, right? Because we have to have either this or this or this or the last one, 4 clubs, we add these numbers. Whenever we had and, like if we had wanted 4 diamonds and 4 hearts, you multiply. Whenever you have or, you add. This is what I had covered before. So it's basically just 13c4 into 4, and this is 13 factorial divided by 4 factorial divided by 9 factorial into 4. And if you solve it, the answer is 2860.